Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is the 1st of October 2025. It is officially what we like to call it, Uptober. There's a lot coming this month, which is very, very exciting. We're going to go over the coin market cap, obviously, to see what's going on in the markets. Earn Curve and Octobot. My bots are trading for me flat out. A lot of XRP news, of course. We do have the big news coming out that Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, CTO, David Schwartz, is stepping back as the technology officer and joining the board of directors, which is, I think, is incredible. October ETF month. We have hundreds of ETFs which could be approved now. We also have, of course, stocks trading like tokens on the blockchain, which I said was coming. And, of course, we have the big news, the ETF adjustments by the SEC, or, you know, the adjustments to the rules, so to speak, is enormous. We're going to have a listen to this on CNBC. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and social media pages. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you see on the channel, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. Things are getting crazy in this space. Also, give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through. Would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto and, of course, any other investment. So be careful. Now, formalities are out of the way. Straight to the post tab this afternoon. And yes, it is Uptober. Historically speaking, October has been literally the best performing month for Bitcoin and, of course, cryptocurrencies. And it's been a different time around this time. 23, we had a 28% return in Bitcoin. 2024 was 10.7. Gosh, look at this one. In 21, we had 39%. What do you think's going to happen in October? I think big things are coming, only just because we've got a different landscape, so to speak. It is crypto approval ETF season. Eric Balchunas posted this morning on X. There's been a lot that's happening in terms of regulations, changes with the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. This is a big month for crypto, and this is one of the reasons why I'm telling people to get on board with Earn Curve, my spot crypto exchange, and start your trading bots, because once the market moves, you're going to be able to capture that market, all right? By the way, all the links are below. We have also Bitwise, XRP ETF, Canary Capital, 21 shares, Wisdom Tree, Pro Shares, Grayscale, Coin Shares, Volatility Shares, Franklin Templeton, and Hashdex. There are so many XRP ETFs, it's going to be absolutely wild. And as well, there's been some other further updates for SUI and Solana. They could be coming this week or early next week. So big things are coming in this space. It's amazing. Now, the total market cap is down today. I'm not worried about that. 3.91 trillion, $165 billion in volume. So again, we're still up. The ETFs had $175 million of inflows, most of that into Bitcoin, as you can see. Coming over to the watch list, I'm really excited about this. We have Bitcoin at 114,000 US dollars. Ethereum is at 4,100. XRP still at $2.85. Incredibly undervalued. Solana's at 210 US dollars. Dogecoin 23 cents. Cardano's at 80 cents. Chainlink $21. Sui's at $3.27. Stellar is at 36 cents. Hedera 21 cents. Litecoin 106. Gosh, Polkadot $3.93. I need to set up a grid bot on Polkadot on Earn Curve. XDC is at 7 cents and Quant is at 100 US dollars. Top gainers in the last 24 hours. We have Reef, XPR, Casper, Nexra, Digibyte, Neo, XVG, and Harmony. They are some of the coins that are up in my portfolio. I do share them all the time in the Wall Street Bull University. All right, so go join up to that if you want to join a pretty cool community. And thank you for those of you that have stuck with me for like 5 years in the Wall Street Bull University. It has gone a long way to help support me and this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Now, Earn Curve, my spot crypto exchange, the links are below. Go join up, register KYC. I will apply a 10% discount to your trading fees. If you have any questions, you can jump on, of course, earncurveinvest.com. And my email is there if you have any questions about setting up, of course, your Octobots. Now, the registration page is here, and you can email me down here. Now, I've got a lot of bots running on the markets at the moment. They are trading for me, completely automated, 24/7. 365. I don't have to touch them, and that's the beautiful thing about it. I wanted something, and again, I've been using trading software for years on my channel, literally 4 years, heavily into automated trading software. This is the most easiest and simple way to get your bots running and trading the crypto markets without even having to lift a finger, because it's all done with automation. All right. Bitcoin, as you can see right here, the grids are working for me. It has placed numerous trades. 2 yesterday, 1 this morning at 5 o'clock this morning. Incredible. And of course, I'm trading multiple markets, I should say, including XRP, which is my favorite crypto asset. Sorry, my camera is in the way at the moment of my screen. Let's have a look here. The XRP Navigator bot that I'm trading at the moment, as you can see down here, it is working perfectly, trading the markets. Now, I do have my setup video on how to get this up and running. I know a lot of you have a lot of questions, but I've broken it all down. This one here, Multi-Bots Live. I'll link it above. Go register it and sign up to that. Use the discount code for the bots. I can honestly say it's the best software and easy, I guess, easy to use, because that's the most important thing for everybody's ease of use, because most of the trading software out there is so complicated. This is very simple. You can set up multiple strategies, multiple bots. As you can see, I'm running a lot of them. They are coming back into profit, which is really nice to see, because I did start these on the 15th of September when the market was high, and then it obviously dipped, okay? The previous spot that I had running on XRP, I've shown everyone on this channel, it was at like some 20% in returns in 2 months, which is ridiculous. So that's the power of these. You need to let them do their thing and trade. And as you can see, opening up the XRP Navigator bot, it's trading for me, and I'm checking the spread between orders, fully automated. This is the beauty of it, and it's with artificial intelligence. So again, my spot crypto exchange, incredible software partners with Octobot. Go join up. Any questions, let me know. Get trading. I've got, gosh, close to $2,000 in this, trading for me 24/7. So it's amazing. All right. Any questions, email me. Now, XRP bull flag sparks a $4 breakout hopes as Ledger nears 100 million milestone, which is enormous, and it's just the beginning. Scrolling down right here, the token is currently forming a classic bull flag pattern, which is about time. A technical setup often seen as a precursor to a strong upward momentum. If confirmed, the next breakout could push XRP above $4 for the first time in its history. A bull flag forms when an asset makes a sharp rally, the flagpole, followed by a period of consolidation in a downward sloping channel, the flag. And the consolidation often serves as a pause before the asset resumes an upward trajectory right here, which we're definitely going to be seeing that in the next couple of weeks, that's for sure. Big news today is David Schwartz. I've been seeing a lot of comments saying he's quit. No, he hasn't quit. David Schwartz, a prominent figure in the crypto industry, and of course Ripple, again, due to his role at Ripple Labs, announced plans to step back from his day-to-day duties at the blockchain company. In Tuesday, on a post on X, known for being the architects of the XRP ledger, said he would be scaling back his responsibilities at Ripple after more than 13 years at the company. The Ripple Chief Technology Officer joined the company in 2011 as a cryptographer, moving to become Chief Technology Officer. And the time has come for me to step back. This is what he said from day-to-day duties at Ripple CTO at the end of the year, said Schwartz. Maybe because these ETFs are going to take over and just dominate, you know. I'm really looking forward to spending more time with the kids and grandkids and going back to the hobbies I set aside. But be warned, I'm not going away from the XRP community. You haven't seen the last of me now or ever. There you go. And he is joining the board, which is, again, really incredible. And according to Schwartz, he will remain at Ripple as Chief Technology Officer Emeritus, referring to an honorary title, and join the company's board of directors. And CEO Brad Garlinghouse on X, again, the true OG, looting the move right now. And a statement, Cointelegraph, Ripple spokesperson said the senior vice president of engineering, Dennis Jarosz, right here, would lead the team going forward. It's a big team, guys. There's a lot of people working for Ripple, but he is joining the board. I think Brad Garlinghouse did put on X as well that he's got to call David boss, which is hilarious. ETF, again, October month is crazy as 16 crypto funds await the final decision. The crypto industry has been set for a flood of new crypto exchange traded funds in October. The Securities Exchange Commission set to make the final decisions on 16 ETFs this month alone. The ETFs connected to a variety of major altcoins, including Solana, XRP, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, which have final deadlines scattered throughout this month. And up for approval, the first is Decentralized Exchange Canary's Litecoin ETF, which I've got a bot set up running on that, on October and EarnCurve. Deadline of October 2nd, followed by the asset manager's Grayscale Solana and its Litecoin trust conversion. And then we move, of course, ending with Wisdom Tree's XRP Spot ETF fund on October 24th, according to the list of upcoming approvals from James Seifert. There's a lot of them, and it's an enormous next few weeks for spot crypto ETFs. The SEC's final deadline's approaching on numerous filings. Starts this week with deadline on Canary Spot Litecoin ETF, will followed by decisions on Sol, Doge, XRP, Cardano, Hedera as well, which we need to get trading on EarnCurve. I've got to check into that. Though the SEC can approve any of or all of these whenever. So we could see this happen very soon, not by the end of the month, but any time. And the SEC to let stocks like Tesla, Nvidia trade on as tokens on the blockchain, which is crazy to think about. This is what I've been talking about. The SEC is creating a system that's lets stocks like Tesla and Nvidia trade as blockchain tokens. Coinbase and Robinhood want to fast approval of this, but big financial firms are pushing back, of course. The SEC suspended QMMM holdings after the 959% surge linked to crypto and AI claims, which is crazy. That's bullish. The number of spot crypto ETFs and many more funds may be about to boom after the SEC decision. 2 recent Securities Exchange Commission decisions should lead the wave of new ETFs. Crypto ETFs covering more digital currencies such as Solana, XRP are to be expected in the months ahead after the SEC greenlit an expedited listing process, which is enormous. And in all, thousands of new ETFs may hit the market, covering a wide range of traditional investing strategies that the SEC allows mutual fund companies to add an ETF share class to its existing portfolios. Let's have a listen to this on how it's going to be potentially implicated on the, again, crypto and the market in general. Have a listen to this.
You had 2 big developments in 2 very different parts of the ETF space that could lead to a flood of new products this year. Share classes and crypto. Talk me through it.
Yeah. Well, we'll start with share classes because that happened today. We've got 70-odd mutual fund providers who have been asking the SEC to allow them to make ETF share classes of their traditional old school mutual funds. Dimensional got the first approval today. I suspect we'll get the other 70 very quickly thereafter. What does that actually mean for investors? It means there are going to be a whole lot of new tickers you got to worry about because all of these mutual funds are now going to launch ETF versions. You can think of them that way. There may be some benefits if you're an existing mutual fund shareholder, some tax stuff, but for the most part, it's just going to mean a lot more products for investors to wade through. Same thing happening in crypto for a different reason. The SEC has approved generic listing standards for spot crypto like Bitcoin or ETH or something like that. And now we're going to get a flood of those. So I would suspect within the next 60 to 90 days, we'll have a dozen or so new crypto-oriented products tracking things like Solana or XRP or the coins that people don't know about that are below Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the ones everybody knows. So 2 big regulatory changes, both of them opening the floodgates on new products for investors.
Really exciting times. Nice to see you, Dave Natick and Kevin.
Are you paying attention to this? Anyway, moving on to X, let's have a quick look here. And thank you to those 9,054 people that follow me on X and all my social media. By the way, I only have 1 TikTok account. I'm getting a flood of messages, which is driving me insane because all of the official links are below. If it's like, I will never message you on TikTok or social media unless it's my verified Instagram page. I will message you back. I get inundated with messages, but I will get back to you. But the best thing to do is, of course, go to EarnCurve Invest and email me here, because that's me getting back to you, all right? Anyway, be careful on social media. There's a lot of fake accounts, and it's going to get worse as the bull market just goes parabolic. Moving down, the SEC Crypto Task Force met with the New York Stock Exchange and Intercontinental Exchange to discuss crypto regulation, including crypto derivative products and tokenized equities trading, which is just huge. 21 shares, SUI Exchange Traded Fund and Polkadot ETF are now listed on the DTCC platform. Ready for launch, baby, bring it on. We have Eric Trump talking about how hard it was for even someone of his caliber getting finance for a housing loan in the United States through KYC. It's a disaster. And yes, I did say it's even worse in Australia. So I completely empathize with him. Crypto is here to stay. Bring it on. Can't wait. The SEC issued a non-action letter allowing investment advisors to use state-chartered trust companies as qualified custodians for crypto assets. Do people understand how big this is? It is enormous. Moving down, we have 3 ETF issuers say next week could be a realistic time frame for Solana spot ETFs. That is from Nate Garassi. And Eric Balchunas, again, he's putting out the goods. Crypto ETF approval season has officially arrived. Bring it on, guys. Get started with your Octobots now before all the chaos. All right, get started, because, again, I'm letting these run the whole time. I don't have to do a single thing. Just monitor them and watch those gains trail up when these ETFs get approved. Anyway, I will speak to you all tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have a double shot espresso, because I'm about to have one now. Peace out, guys. Any questions, email me on EarnCurve. Peace.